Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be teaching you the opposite side single hand shirt grab, and it looks like this. Hiya! 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 So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. In this self-defense technique, there are 5 easy steps, and here they are. Number 1, you're going to take your opposite side hand and take your thumb and place it on the back of their knuckle, wrap your fingers around the wrist. Number 2, you're going to do a palm strike to the face. Number 3, you're going to turn the wrist and place your other thumb right next to the one currently on their knuckles. You're going to twist inward and turn. Number 4, you're going to do a kick to the face, pow. Number 5, you're going to take that same leg, swing it over their head. Then you're going to do an arm break against your leg, bam. Take that same foot and you're going to kick to the face, pow. All right, let's do it again. All right, so number 1, you're going to take the opposite side hand and put your thumb on the back of their knuckle, wrap your fingers around the wrist. Number 2, you're going to do a palm strike to the face, pow. Number 3, you're going to turn the hand and place your other thumb next to the one currently on the back of their knuckles and twist. Number 4, you're going to do a kick to the face, pow. Number 5, take the same leg, swing it over their head, do an arm break against your leg, and then a kick to the face, pow. All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? This time, it's Sensei Conover's turn. I'm going to grab him, and number 1, he's going to place his opposite side hand thumb on the back of my knuckle. Number 2, a palm strike to the face. Hey-ya. Number 3, he's going to twist my wrist, placing his other thumb next to the current one on my hand, and he's going to twist the arm. Ah. And number 4, he's going to do a kick to the face.
Hey-ya.
Pow. Number 5, swing his leg over, arm break, bam, and a kick to the face.
Hey-ya.
Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what we'll be doing on the next lesson, which is the double shirt grab. Hiya! 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 Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number 1, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number 2, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number 3, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that could also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number 4, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap.
Cyber Sensei.